Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover data from ServiceNow, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover data from ServiceNow, start by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the application navigator in the left-hand sidebar. Type sys_import_set into the filter navigator. Select the import sets option from the list. In the import sets page, locate the specific import set related to the data you need to recover. Click on the import set record to open it. Review the import set details to identify the data you want to restore. Next, move to the related list section and look for the processed records. Click on the processed records link to view the records associated with your import set. In the processed records list, you can search for the specific record you want to recover. If you cannot find your record here, check the Import Set Rows section. Navigate back to the Import Set record and select Import Set Rows. From this list, identify the rows that contain your lost data. You can filter the results or sort them based on various criteria. Select the records you wish to recover. Once selected, you can either export them to a CSV file for external use or re-import them. To re-import, click on the Load Data option within the Import Set record. Configure the settings as necessary for your data recovery process. Execute the import by clicking on the appropriate button. Monitor the import process for any errors or issues. If everything goes smoothly, confirm that the data is now restored in your original table. Finally, validate the recovered data to ensure completeness and accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.